All right, y'all, so I know this is a day late, but let's just jump right into the video. We're going to use a new primer today, and we're going to also use a new eyeshadow palette. So this came from Walmart. We're just going to pop on the orange shadow mixed in with a little bit of yellow, just make it pop, because let me tell you, these colors do not really show up on melanin, okay? We're also going to take this burgundy, we're going to blend that into the outer V of our eyes. The orange goes into the upper corner, and the red goes into the outer V, and we're going to blend those together. Okay, so now we're just going to check it, make sure everything is looking good. So far, so good. So now we're going to take this gold eyeliner, we're going to draw a line where we're going to later put our gold highlight. It's just going to be like a liner, but I don't have a gold liner, so we're going to make it work, okay? We're making it work on a budget. Just go with it. It works. So now we're just going to take our cover effects and a small brush. Yes, making this cover effects, okay. Well, be careful. Goodness, girl. Anyway, so we're going to take a small brush and our cover effects, and we're going to draw this gold cover effects glitter drop over that gold line that we drew with the liner. So now we're going to take this red lipstick that, of course, is broken from our previous video. I'm going to link a card up top so you can see me break that. Anyway, we're just going to take this, and this is going to be kind of like eyeliner, but it's going to be red. Again, don't have red eyeliner. We're making it work on a budget because that's what we do here on this channel until, you know, we get some more coins because life, yeah, working with it. So I kind of forgot to put the orange in front of the red, but it's okay because that's what we're going to do now. Just be sure that when you try this look, you do it before you put your liners on. And now, like right now, come on. Okay. We're going to smoke out our lower lash line with the burgundy color. We're going to smoke it out in the back corner, and then we're going to come in a little bit with the orange in the front corner. I did not show that part. Now we're going to use Becca, and we're going to try and do a little brow highlight, but she came through a little too much. You know, Becca's a little powerful, but I'm going to show you how to fix that. So we're going to take this cinnamon color in this BoxyCharm kit that I got, and we're just going to blend all of that together and also tone down the gold a little bit. Now it's time to highlight my face because I need it. I gotta glow. We're gonna take the blush first. This is the burgundy blush that's in that palette that I just showed you. And then we're gonna take my favorite highlighter now, which is Becca. And we're gonna highlight once I finish with this because I'm taking forever. Like, Megan, we don't have to show everything. Like, come on, girl. This is my new favorite highlighter, y'all. I swear. Like, I just glow so much. Like, boom. Check me out. Jesus Christ. And now it's time for some lashes. Psych, mascara first. Remember to do mascara before you do your lashes. Okay. Yes, Lily lashes. Get it? I've used them before. So, yeah. And that's the end of this video. I just wanted to show y'all the eye look. And I think it looked pretty good. Look at that. Oh, so cute. Everything else is in the previous video. I'm going to link it up at the top in a card or at the end of the video. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this look. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thanks. Again. I'm here. We just keep meeting like this. This is destined, okay? This is fate. So why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, you know, give it a good old thumbs up, you know. Just, we starting out a new relationship. Let's just do that, okay? All right, I'm just going to sit here, put a couple videos up right here. So go ahead and click it, and I'll see you back here soon. Like Tuesday soon. Okay, bye.